She's taking classes and getting advice from other people and doing lots of good research. Right now she has her permit, but she has to go to a class to get her license so she can ride it on the freeway.